Fattoush. It's a Lebanese style salad. So we start by making the torn pita. I take these very thin pita, I tear them into strips. Just like that. I don't use a knife, nothing. I throw them on a sheet tray. I spray them with olive oil. I toast them with za'atar. This is my blend. The recipe's online. I always make these for this salad because you get more flavor and more bang for your buck. We're going to put the croutons, we're not going to dress this yet. We're going to add the croutons to the salad itself. What is the salad itself? Diced tomato, cucumber, onion, and sliced or chopped radish on a bed of romaine, and mix all of those crispy bits of pita right in. All those spices will go throughout, okay? Let's go to the dressing now. So in the bowl already, I have 7 to 8 cups of chopped salad. I'd call it 8. We're gonna grate in 1 clove of garlic, so it's essentially pasted. And this is 1/2 cup, approximately, I didn't measure it. I just poured it into the bowl, of my favorite tahini. Tahini is sesame paste. And then I add water until it's thinned enough to be considered the consistency of a dressing base. So I would say so far I've used about 1/3 cup. Why did you only thin it to 1/3 cup? Because we're going to add yogurt. About 1/3 to 1/2 cup. Again, I don't measure it. I just put it in there. Of good thick Greek yogurt. And I like a trace amount of a really good fruity olive oil. And it's really for flavor. So we're just adding that for the flavor of it. So I'm gonna take a lemon and squish that into the mix. Always squeeze cut side up so the juice goes into the dressing and the seeds do not. Now, I promised you that this was going to be tahini ranch. How do we make this into ranch dressing? Your traditional dill, chive, parsley, rancheroonie. Now, whether or not you want to add a dash of hot sauce here is up to you. John, what do you say?
Hot sauce.
Okay, so we got a little bit of hot sauce. Now we're going to add all this gorgeous ranch tahini yogurt dressing. Gorgeous. Now, this is your option. This is very substantive and substantial. And if you're a vegetarian, this is going to be din-din for sure. If you want to bump up the protein, as I said, you can add any cooked meat or fish to the top of this. And I have some gorgeous grilled chicken breast here that I've shaved within 1 inch of its life. Look at that. You could read the newspaper through some of that chicken. And we're going to take some of our fattoush. And then if you want, on top, you can arrange a bit of the chicken.